morning. Here's the special coverage of news in the East. Ejafallajokull volcano eruption. A massive explosion of Ejafallajokull volcano became a tourist attraction where more than 10,000 people have ventured to the site, to which the phenomenal lava flow of Iceland's perfect tourist eruption last March 21. The Department of Civil Protection and Emergency Management set up a 2.2-mile hiking trail to the eruption site and continuously patrolling to the site to prevent onlookers from venturing into hazardous areas of the Ejafallajokull volcano. Starting with the 50,000 disrupted earthquakes, the volcano's suspected eruption fills in the geologist's theory. On March 19, around 8:45 p.m., molten rocks breached the surface in valley near a flat-top mountain named Fragalastic Fall. Due to the continuous increase of COVID-19 cases in Iceland, the authorities make sure that tourists practice social distancing and other health protocols, including wearing face masks. Meanwhile, here are the other headlines at this hour. The Italian government passes a decree to ban cruise ships and other large vessels from the lagoon of Venice. The Philippine military spotted illegal structures built on the reefs in the South China Sea near the recent Chinese maritime boats that have been swarming in recent weeks. We'll be back with more news updates in an hour. I'm Marisa Zane Jane Bosch. Keep it here on News in the East.